Up next, a revisit and update on the IBM 365XD retro IBM laptop. We'll take a look and see what's going on with it and just kind of a follow-up on where we're at with this laptop. ijdm starts now.
Another visitor. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Okay, let's get into this. This is a retro type video, so if you're not into this, you might want to skip to one of my other type videos. I do new stuff and review stuff and things like that. I kind of jump around just to kind of change it up a little bit, and there's only so much you can talk about older retro tech, and plus trying to get it sometimes and keep it up can be an issue. This being the perfect case. The only reason I'm revisiting this one, and I'll be straight up honest with you, is I recently watched an LGR episode where he purchased a laptop, and it was just sad. The thing's just crumbling and falling apart. And I kind of want to follow up with that a little bit. Even if you're not getting the laptop shipped across the United States and it's just sitting at home, they'll still crumble and fall apart into pieces. This one, a perfect example, is if you look at the whole back half of this thing, it is just destroyed. And I mean, the rest of this case, honestly, is just ready to just fall apart. Like, bits and pieces are just crumbling without even touching them and just sitting on my shelf. It's just crazy that, you know, this thing happens with these plastics. And does it still work? Well, I mean, if I can get the dang thing open, because, dang it, Bobby. It's just, oh, wow. It's poor thing. It's just, look at the hinges. Oh, man. And then something happened with the screen. I don't know. It's almost like somebody came in my house overnight and just like kicked it around and played football with it or something. I don't even have a way to keep this. Okay. Yeah, no. Oh, my God. It's just, I mean, that you can't make that up. You cannot make that up. Okay. Does it power on? I don't know how I'm going to do this holding it. This is just crazy. And there's a reason I'm going to get to at the end of the video why I'm doing this and even attempting to fire this up. And, oh, man. Hopefully this is the right power adapter. All right. Hopefully nothing goes silly. Lights turn on. Okay. Is the screen going to fire? Oh, screen. Poor screen. Got the vinegar syndrome. When I got this screen, it was a replacement with the other one, and I had traded out a bunch of stuff. I did a video on that. Unfortunately, the vinegar syndrome got this one too. So, but yeah, it still works. I mean, it still works. Just this awful spot on the screen now that's just in the last year and a half, just came out of nowhere. And I keep these things stored in pretty safe environment. And even the display, well, there we go. The display looks kind of dim, but I mean, you can still play games on it. The keyboard, oh man, still just a nice keyboard for a laptop. I mean, I love the feel you get when you hit these keys and that key hits that back plate. Just gives you that nice kind of little bit of tactile feel and an otherwise boring rubber dome keyboard. Let's see, we just can see if I can remember. No, I don't remember what it's called. Oh, wait a minute. Let's try that. Yep, there we go. And I think it's just Duke. There we go. Just to kind of give you a better illustration of the screen and where it's at. I mean, I can actually see this a little better on what the camera's picking up. But playable, I'd be kind of miserable with that white spot there. And it's not going to disappear. I know there's ways they say you can take it apart and fix it, but then we go back to square one with this case. It is just, it's crumbling. It's falling apart. Like every piece on it I even touch right now is just coming off in my hands. And I mean, it is like, it just falls apart like potato chips. It's incredible how some of these plastics just didn't hold up. Now, my ask on this, and the reason why I'm doing this video, I'm hoping enough people are watching and enough people care about this retro tech is, I feel like in the age we're in, and this is why I'm following up to the other video I mentioned, is that there should be a way, and I think he did mention it, that there should be a way to 3D print these cases and basically take all the components and put them into a new 3D printed case so that you can enjoy them longer. And aside from some of the rare laptops, the 365XD to me is probably one of the best candidates for a transfer like that. Because the nice part is you can even take the whole keyboard assembly and just put it in the new case. It's all one piece. So and most of this is modular, so it's not really a tall ask to have somebody make a case like this. The question is, where do you get the prototype when half of these things are just falling totally apart? That being said, wait, so another piece is coming up. Oh, wow. I can't even get the screen folded now. It's trying to lock on me. It doesn't know what it wants to do. Oh, there's another piece. Let's see. That one feels whatever. It's just, oh man, craziness. Now, one thing I wanted to do show is just a strange little weird coincidence. It kind of has an older brother, and this is actually part of the 700 series. And yeah, it has the sticky goo, but I got most of it off. It's still kind of a little tacky, but every once in a while I have to clean it and whatever. But it's basically a similar form laptop, just a little more chunkier than the other one, but still has that great keyboard feel and stuff. But I am not nervous with this one really, one iota, because it feels like it's built totally different. None of the plastics are chipping. There's nothing missing on the case. It's just held up so well to time, but it suffers from bad caps. So we go back to 101 on these IBM laptops, that it's really a gamble on what you're getting. I mean, they are nice products. I do enjoy retro gaming on them. The one reason I bought this is because it was one of the earlier ones I bought that actually had the type of screen that allows for better DOS gaming. Forget the resolution offhand, but you get the picture. But this was a really nice laptop to play on, minus some games could not actually, they couldn't figure out what's going on with the sound card, because I believe this used the A-Wave technology, where the other one used something more like a Sound Blaster compatible. But that's an update on the two IBM 365s, the IBM 755 CD and the 365XD, which is in horrible condition. Again, anybody that 3D prints or does anything like that, or would like to donate a new case and we do a transfer project, I mean, that would be a fun thing too to do, even with a bunch of other YouTube creators, is see how many of these old laptops that are crumbling that we can transplant the innards and get something that's a tangible product to use for years in the future. That'll do it for this ijdm. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.